I'm Steve Hart. I'm the Sales Director for Integrated Solutions at Baxi. I'm at Futurebuild today and for the next 2 days, where we're part of the UK DEA sponsored heat network zone, and we're really pleased to be showing off our thermal substation, which is based upon proven technology from our BDR group partner Fortis Energy Systems.
Hi, I'm Simon Woodward. I'm Chairman of the UK District Energy Association, and it's really great to see Baxi exhibiting with us in the heat network zone, and it'd be great to talk to colleagues from Baxi about what they're doing at the show.
So we're acutely aware of the upcoming increase in demand for heat networks, particularly following the heat zoning legislation as it comes in next year, and we think there's going to be a real appetite for larger, customised, packaged heat exchangers in the form of thermal substations, where we can do temperature control, we can do connectivity, we can do energy metering all in one. When we combine that with our wall-mounted heat interface units and our packaged hybrid energy centres, and then support that all with our ability to train in our 13 training centres and support with our 270 service vans, we think we've got a winning combination for the UK district energy market.